Apple's latest smartphone has a cluster of magnets built into the back of it that allows you to attach accessories to the device without cables. The magnets are strong enough that these accessories won't accidentally fall off. It took a little while for companies to find the best uses for MagSafe, but this technology has led to the creation of unique accessories. In this video, we will be talking about 7 MagSafe accessories that make using the iPhone a little easier. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Anker has released a new MagSafe-compatible battery pack that can attach directly to your iPhone to offer charging without the need for a cable. The Powercore Magnetic 5K wireless power bank has a 5000 mAh battery and an LED indicator light to let you know how much power is left in the device. The device also features USB-C output for charging with a cable as well. An extra 5000 mAh is a meaningful boost, especially for the smaller iPhone 12 mini, but it's limited by the device's lack of MagSafe certification. The magnetic power bank can charge an iPhone 12 at 5 watts, which is standard Qi wireless charging speed. The power bank weighs approximately 131.5 grams, which are slightly less than the weight of an iPhone 12 mini. Despite the low charging speed, Anker's Powercore Magnetic 5K power bank is still a good accessory for iPhone 12 series users, as it gives the battery a much-needed boost on the move. The chapter is also equipped with safety precautions, including foreign object detection, short-circuit protection, and temperature control. We love a good travel wallet that fits right into your pocket. The Moft Snap MagSafe compatible wallets are slim, lightweight, and attach right to your phone. Traveling minimally means opting for multifunctional items whenever possible, and this wallet is the perfect accessory for that. Just like the name suggests, the Moft Snap phone stand and wallet can be used as a stand and a wallet. But it's not just one stand, it's 3 in 1, with landscape mode, portrait mode, and floating mode. You have to just pull down the tab at the back to set it up. Secondly, it's a wallet that holds about 3 cards comfortably. Getting your cards out of the Moft when it's attached to your phone, though, is not the smoothest experience, so you may want to detach it first. If you opt for magnetic stick pads, you can mount your phone to almost any surface. Just undo the paper back and stick it on any wall. But the adhesive is very strong and takes a bit of elbow grease to get off, so we don't recommend using it at your hotel or Airbnb. We recommend only permanent places. These MagSafe-compatible mounts are perfect for rental cars, since installing and removing them is easy. The ESR Halolock magnetic wireless car charger mounts clips onto your car vents in whatever position that you need it to. You will have to screw it into place, but it doesn't take long. It supports iPhones in either portrait or landscape without moving the mount. Just pull off your iPhone, rotate the phone, and snap it back into place. The ESR Halolock is a hard plastic accessory. The round-plated section that the phone attaches to has a reflective appearance that looks glass-like, but it's also plastic. It uses a ball mount mechanism that lets you wiggle it around to find the right viewing angle. If you need to make adjustments after installing, it's easy to loosen the nut, re-angle, and retighten again to secure it in place. Despite its name, it's technically not wireless. You'll still need to attach a cable and plug it into either your car's USB port or a separate charger. The Magsafe Duo Charger allows you to charge your phone at the same time as other accessories, such as your AirPods or your Apple Watch. This is a portable choice as you are able to fold it up and take it with you, but you should note that you need to buy a separate adapter to be able to use this charger. The design is very simple enough. On one side is a Magsafe wireless charger, and on the right is an integrated Apple Watch charging puck. It costs $129, but that price doesn't include a USB-C charging brick. You'll need to buy that separately, and you'll need to make sure it can supply at least 20 watts of USB PD power so that it can fast charge your phone. The Magsafe Duo Charger is very pocketable and clearly made with travel in mind, but it doesn't feel like it'll hold up to the abuse of tossing it in a bag or a pocket on a regular basis. Even if it does, it might get extremely dirty because of its weight, as it will probably find its way to the bottom of a bag, and since it only comes in white, you might see some inevitable scratch marks on it. That is the only drawback we see in this product. The Magsafe battery pack has a rectangular design that matches the shape of the iPhone, and it attaches to the back of an iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max to provide extra power. The Magsafe battery pack weighs in at 115 grams and is 11 millimeters thick. The Magsafe battery pack charges an iPhone 12 model at 5 watts, with limited charging speed due to heat concerns and a prolonged battery life. When the Magsafe battery pack is attached to an iPhone and plugged into a Lightning USB-C cable that's connected to a 20-watt or higher charger, the iPhone is able to charge at 15 watts. The Magsafe battery pack has a reverse wireless charging feature. This means that if you charge your iPhone, the Magsafe battery pack will also charge at the same time. So you can charge both the iPhone and the Magsafe battery pack through the Lightning port on the Magsafe battery pack or through the Lightning port on the iPhone. And you'll get the same ultimate result with both devices charging up. When Apple created Magsafe accessories to work along with the charge, the most important one was a clear case. The back of the case supports the Magsafe symbol, which highlights the area of where to attach the charger. It also perfectly frames the famous Apple logo. When you apply the case to the phone, an animated Magsafe logo will be displayed on your phone. Your phone can recognize the accessory that you have attached, which is a very impressive feature of the handset. Apple created this cover using polycarbonate and flexible materials that are ensured to stay intact. Another aspect of the case is its anti-scratch coating that has been enforced into the outside and the interior areas of the phone, which is beneficial as a lot of clear cases tend to be easily scratched. A downfall of the case is that fingerprints are extremely visible. Therefore, we do find the need to wipe the case more often than not. The clear case is a bit expensive. That's because of the added element of Magsafe charging. You can attach the charger to the case, as you would do to the phone. It snaps into position when placed near, to provide your handset with fast charging. The volume adjustment and lock buttons are covered by the case. This protects them from becoming damaged as a result of daily use. The price of this case is a bit high. However, we feel it is worth paying that money for the comfortability and features it provides. Rolling Square Edge is one of the more interesting Magsafe products around. This is made for attaching to the back of a laptop or raised tablet, allowing easy access to your phone display alongside your screen as a mini-second display for work. Edge can turn your laptop, tablet, or monitor into a full-fledged workstation, whether you are working from home or you are back in the office. Hence, reduce distractions and boost your productivity. Always having a valuable information insight, never missing important messages and emails, working on mobile interfaces in real time, sharing your presentation while still seeing other hosts during an online meeting. Using your smartphone as an extension of your main screen are just some examples of how your workflow will improve. To increase the strength of the magnets, Edge comes with an ultra-thin magnetic disc that can be attached to your phone or to your phone's case. We hope these recommendations have taken you closer to finding your ideal Magsafe accessory. Let us know your favorites in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.